it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Keela's Marketing, where I review top IT and cloud-based products. I'll also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So baby, if you are interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Me and you, yes baby, we are on the road to success. Today I am presenting you with this product called Paradise. Paradise is a software-based product which is going to give you step-by-step tutorials, templates, and training to help you scale this website creating software to the max. All right, so this training stores, this creates automatic traffic getting website. You're going to be making websites, okay, in which they have traffic built into these websites, in which you can add your affiliate link to make money online. If you're interested in Paradise and what it has to offer, make sure you stay until the end, in which I'll be giving away 60 plus different free bonuses to help you scale this online business to success. So if you're interested in Paradise, what it has to offer, stay to the end of this review. Let's get into it. Let's dive right into it. So training right here is going to show you how to set everything up. Then it's going to show you how to insert your affiliate links. In this video, you will be shown step by step how to ensure that your affiliate links are in place so you get commissions if you make a sale. And right here, click the button below to find the suggested recommended products. Sign up for free. And then we have the integrations. In this video, we will be showing you how to connect a autoresponder to many API connections available. And we have a free trial with an autoresponder right here, and in-depth 17-minute tutorial video in setting up your autoresponder correctly. All right, and then we have how to add your own reviews. In this video, you'll be shown step by step on how to add more reviews on your websites. All right, don't forget this is a traffic generating site. Okay, so you're going to be adding videos to this website. All right, and then you got using the upgrades. In this video, you will learn how to access all the upgrades in which they have to offer. And this is a bonus builder right here. In this video, we will show you how to set up a page using the Super Affiliate Builder, as well as discuss strategies and what else is essential for your success. And then we have traffic strategies. This is a video step-by-step tutorial, and this is a 30-minute in-depth traffic web class showing you the actual strategy and traffic sources that are working right now in 2021. If you need guidance on traffic in this video, we discuss free and paid sources that work along with these strategies that are low effort and high effort. Okay, so some you got to put in a lot of effort, some you don't have to put that much effort into. And to watch these web classes, just click this button right here. And then we have the video for strategies, how to perfectly strategize your email list. And then we have getting traffic. So this is traffic strategies 2, traffic strategies number 3, and then we have traffic strategies number 4, and then we have some bonus content for you right here. So subscribe to our YouTube channel to get regular tips and tricks and hacks and reviews on up and coming top profitable online affiliate marketing softwares and or training sources. So we have the Ultimate Commissions Club, Bitcoin, how to get free Bitcoin in 2021. And right here it says, if you are yet invest in Bitcoin, we have partners up with a few new customers of crypto exchange $10 in Bitcoin when they buy 100 in equivalent of Bitcoin in exchange as a bonus. Offer available for new customers only. Paradise and its presenters take no responsibilities for your actions on exchange. Investments can go down as well as up. Only invest what you can afford. Okay, so there's a little warning right here. And then we have more, earn more of the crypto plus $10 in bonuses. If you want to read more into it, you can just pause the screen and read it, right? And then we have crypto card and a crypto mental card, $25 bonus right here. And then we have free share stocks UK. And then we have the shares right here. And then you have the free trial UK and US. And then you have the book club. And look, just with all of these suggestions, you can totally pause the screen and watch what it has to say. Then we have the products in which you are going to promote and edit to like optimize this site. So these are the products that's going to help you make money with the site. All right. So we have the Wi-Fi profit streams. All of these are already done for you. You just gotta get your link integrated. You gotta make sure you like. That's what all those tutorials for. So right here, you got the all of these products right here. So you have Wi-Fi profits. You can edit, view, download, and delete when you're done with it. And you have New Year's profit bots. You have CB traffic bots. You have commission page. You have passive products funnel, check kits, 1K daily system, extreme, and 10x profit sites. And then you have more over here. And I guess this is just two different rows. Two different rows, two different screens. Alright? And these are all the products right here. And these are the product affiliate links. So when it comes down to people going to this site and checking out these products, you have to make sure that you get your products. These, you have to take action on all of these. These are all the products right here. You just gotta get your link. So you gotta take action and you gotta apply your own link. Alright, then you have the site settings. Okay, what the site settings is, this is all done for you templates. So you just gotta fill in the blank. Super duper easy. They have already templates written down for you. So homepage settings, helping you find the best products. Majority of the stuff is already written done for you. You just gotta add in what product you are talking about and put your own link in here, okay? And add your own social integrations. And this is the autoresponder integration right here. And then you have the auto profit boost Facebook tools. And then you can change your settings or save your changes, whenever you want to, and just click that. Alright, so we have the free traffic. Alright. Just bear with me. We're just waiting for the page to load. Here we go. So this is a very, very short video. I'm really happy. So you have 4 different free traffic ads in which you can get the link and optimize it. Everything is down here. So activate free traffic app number 1, activate free traffic app 2 and 3, and then you have step 3, activate more free traffic. Click here for more free traffic. Step 4, submit your link for free traffic. All right. So click here to submit your link for traffic. Your traffic guide is here. And then we have step 5, download your bonuses here. So you have more bonuses too. Bonus number 1, access our product vault. And then we have bonus number 2, zero cost business startup guide. All right. And then we have upgrades. So you have the unlimited upgrade, the automated upgrade traffic. You got the ATM edition. You got the unlimited edition. You have the license, PLR license rights in which you can use and relabel this product called Paradise and scale this to your own benefit. And then you have the 3K edition. You have the auto profit boost. You have the bonuses builder. You have the million edition. And then you get to upgrade your membership also, guys. So this is everything you need to know. Well, this is everything inside of Paradise and what you need to know when it comes down to you making your decision and picking it up. Let's head over to my bonus page, guys. So I'm just going to start on the bottom. I'm actually at the bottom of my bonus page. If you want to connect with me in any of my social medias, just scroll all the way down to the bonus page. And how you can find the bonus page is through my link below, which is in the comments. And I'm going to have one in my description. So in 2 easy places in which you can find super duper easy. Press that link in my comments or my descriptions. Come all the way down. Hit up my Facebook, my TikTok, and my YouTube so you can get more updates on more tips and tricks and upcoming products to help you make money online. So with my bonuses are at a limited time offer. So 6 days left until all these bonuses come down. If you are at my bonus page and you see none of these numbers inactive, that means you are no longer able to pick up my bonuses, guys. So you already know what they say, early bird catches the worm. All right. Let's start from 1 to 5. So bonus number 1 from your girl. This is 60 plus different softwares underground technique. Learn how to create a bigger profit with proper training by Jonah Armstrong, Brendan Mays, and more of the top vendors in the game right now. All right. We have bonus number 2. How I made 2 stacks in 20 minutes. Learn how to sell without selling. Keep your conversions coming back so you'll have evergreen traffic. And your trainer is Brendan Mays. We have bonus number 3. This is make an app in less than 25 minutes, guys. I don't know if you know, but apps are not expensive to make. People be talking about you need a whole bunch of money. No, you don't. You can make an app with this. Free training by Jonah Armstrong's free training and software, guys. Absolutely free. My gift to you, alright? And I actually clicked it. So let's go back to my bonus page. Alright, so we are on bonus number 4. How to cash in high ticket offers with Google Docs to generate high ticket sales with this underground technique and strategies. Wouldn't it be awesome if like you got an email and it says you have made $2,000 in one sale? Like what? $2,000? Yes, this is it. Okay, you gotta learn how to master because literally it's digital products out here that's scaling. From a price like that, you're gonna learn how exactly to get those high ticket offers and emails right to you. And we have bonus number 5, all of the vendor bonuses. So make sure you take action today because when it comes down to my bonuses, they're not gonna be up for long. Look at this. This time is counting down. All right, it's counting down. Let's get in a little bit more detail on what this product has to offer. So this is a all-in-one system, includes 100 powerful traffic sources at your fingertips in making $500 per day, period. Just $100 per day will change your freaking life. All right. It includes done for you systems, 100% beginner friendly, 0 overhead costs, and keep 100% of the profits. Free buyer traffic from 100 built-in sources, self monetization set up and forget system, high paying affiliate offers built into the system. All right now. 0 tech skills, experience, or maintenance needed. 4+ figures per day training from a top super affiliate. No email list or paid traffic is needed. And no questions asked. 180-day money back guarantee, which is dope. And when it comes down to the early bird gets the worm, I keep on pressing this, guys. It's at $17. But guys, when you go over to the sales page, you go over to the, I just said that like 2 times. I'm going to say it again. So you go over to the sales page. You leave the sales page, you try to leave it. And when you try to leave it, they're going to stop you with a $2 off. They're going to be like $2 off. All right. So that's dope. Guys, the limited offer is so much better, guys. You can get the downsell of the limited offer, which is at a price of $37. You only got to get the $67. You can get the $37. That would be dope. What the next upsell is the done for you system, which is amazing too, which is super amazing. You got the upsell number 3. This is the limited traffic. You got the automated for upsell number 4. You have the ATM for upsell number 5. And upsell number 6 is limited. Just like the ones I went over in the inside of the members area, guys. So don't forget, this process is giving you $37 over and over again. Free buyer traffic less than 60 seconds. And 300+ traffic sources in one platform. Works on all devices, including phones. So why not make money while you're scrolling on your phone, okay? Guys, if you want to know a little bit more about this product, come over to my bonus page. Hit that link in my comments or in my comments or in my description. And get your copy of Paradise especially my bonuses that are absolutely free. Don't forget. See you in my next review video.